Assalamualaikum. We are from section AB6.38, and we are going to present about motorcycle safety behavior, which is we did on our event for the past 1 week. All right. So, which is me. I will introduce myself as a leader on my team, which is Hafiz Biamza, and my other teams, which is Nur Khairun Nisa binti Nordin, and Nushafika binti Yusri, Ainu Akidah binti Muhammad Zuki, and Zawi Zakwan bin Ahmad Tarmizi. Next slide, please. All right. So as you can see here, this is our speaker, which is experience in motorcycle engineering and good in terms of motorcycle. He knows about motorcycle parts. He knows what about troubleshooting a motorcycle. He knows how to do with motorcycle if anything happen in that motorcycle. So as we did there, we going through event that we asked our speaker to get our objective, which is to get what should we do if we got something happen, no motor. And we also asked him about his experience on motorcycle, and there's more. All right, next slide.
First of all, we start with company name. So this company name is Hustle.co, which is established in 2019. And experience, the Hustle.co that he have is car mechanic for 2 years, expertise in motorcycle engineering. On 9 June, we had a webinar event called Motorcycle Safety Behavior. And the MC1 is Hafiz, and MC2 we have Zawi Zakwan. We use Zoom for our webinar platform. And next slide.
So for the objective event is first, we have we get to know about the safety when we ride the motorcycle. Second is to let participants know how to improve motorcycle. Visibility and riders' alertness are reducing accidents. Third is to help participants study more about riding motorcycle. Fourth is to give awareness to participants about motorcycle safety. And lastly is to let make they know about the growth of motorcycle registrations versus a clear risk of accident increasing.
All right. Which is after we talk about our objective, this is our benefit of the event that our audience will get. So number one is to tell participants about motorcycle safety, which is a basic motorcycle safety, and number two, to know about maintenance and troubleshoot about the motor, and to participant reported greater sensory attention and resistance to distraction when riding a motorcycle. Number four, to participants were able to have a better understanding of proper motorcycle safety behaviors. And the last one, the audience, how to drive in a high quality manner, which is motorcycle is indeed a motor machine that we always that get accident in a safety manner, right? So move up to second slide.
For the showcase any issue topic during the event, we get less participants, have a problem with Zoom when we record the event, and having some problem about the time to prepare the event. Next. For the experience, The experience we got from the event was how we take care of our safety while riding a motorcycle, and we learned about how to use motor equipment while in damage.
On this slide, you can see the link for our event and picture of our event that we captured during our webinar. Last but not least, we are using Google Form for taking attendance of participants that joining our webinar. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.